Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix notification sound not working after iOS 26 update. If you are using any iPhone and you have updated your iPhone up to iOS 26 update but your notification sound is not working. So let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So the very first thing is that you have to open up your settings, and here you have to scroll down and look for the option of notifications or sounds and haptics first. And here select the sound and haptic option, and from here you have to disable your silent mode. So once you have disabled your silent mode, you will get notification sound, or you have to try to increase your ringtone alert sound. From here you have to try to increase it from here, and once you have increased, you have to enable this toggle also, which is change with buttons. Once you have enabled this toggle, so you will be able to manage your volume with using these buttons. So it might be that it will fix your issue, or if it doesn't, so you have to make sure that you're not enable your do not disturb mode, or if you have enabled, try to disable with that. And once you have disabled your do not disturb mode and your notification sound is still not working, so now what you have to do, you have to make sure that your notification sound has been increased up to full, and you have set it ringtone from here. Or after that, if you are not getting a notification for any specific apps, open notification settings, or you have to go for apps, and from here you have to look for the specific app for which your notification is not working. For example, I'm going to select the WhatsApp. From here select the WhatsApp app, and here you will get the option of notification. Select that, and you have to make sure that you have allowed notifications, or you have enabled this toggle, and you have enabled all these toggles also. Here's the sound and badges and unlock screen, so you have to make sure that you have enabled all these toggles. And once you have enabled it, it will almost fix your issue. Or after enabling these all settings, you are still having the same issues. Now what you have to do, so if you have enabled your Bluetooth, so try to disable your Bluetooth, because sometimes your Bluetooth is connected to any other device, so your phone will not get any voice. You will get the voice from the second device, so you must have to make sure that your Bluetooth is not enabled, or you have to try to update your software, because sometimes it might be that you have any pending software update, so your phone will not work well. Open the general, go to software update. You have to make sure that your software is up to date, or if you have any update here like that, you have to try to update the option here. Simply tap on that update now, and your software will be updated. And once you have updated your software, it will almost fix your issue. Or if it doesn't, so you have to go to settings again and go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset all settings. Here you have to simply enter your passcode, and your all setting will be reset. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this step. And once you have reset all settings, your all setting will be resetted, and your notification will work after this step. So in this way you can easily fix if your notification sound isn't working after iOS 26 update. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.